Hi! Part 2 po ng Krispy Kreme donut.
Kaya nakabay kami ng complete kasi
Yeah.
meron pang TCG dun sa nabila namin.
Pokemon.
Kaya yung di namin pa na tikman, iti-taste test namin.
Yes.
Sino una? Charmander?
Yeah,
Okay
Charmander.
natin. Ayan.
Charmander.
Si Charmander. Tapos Rita.
So good. Tastes like a Zesto with a sweet pinch.
Kaya yung orange, sarap din. Next,
Si, Pikachu.
Pikachu.
This might be weird.
Lemon yung flavor ni Pikachu. Si Charlie.
It was actually good.
Okay din. No?
And let's try Jigglypuff.
And last, Jigglypuff.
Always trolls
Cotton
us when
candy
we,
naman.
when we sleep.
Meron laman sa loob.
It's blue.
Yeah, cotton candy kasi.
And yung kay Jigglypuff, same lang kay Meowth.
Same na bestseller for you. That's all. Peace.
Thumbs up. Follow for more. Try this.
Ito yung TCG.
Yan, na card.
I-open namin sa next video.